We're going to be firing up this Maxim MCU Eval kit that I just got, and this is the kit number. Inside the kit, you get this little Pico board, which is a like a JTAG debugger, and then you get this MCU board. It's got a little LCD screen on it as well, with some buttons and jumpers and headers that you can use to exercise in your program. This right here is the Eclipse environment, and what I'm going to show you is going to go project new. Let's see, project new. Going to go to Maxim microcontrollers, and I'll give it a name, just project B for Blink, and I'm going to go pick the chip that I'm using, and I've got the eval board here. There's a couple eval boards. I'm just going to go with the EV kit version 1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go pick the GPIO example program, and this is my programmer JTAG debugger. So I'm going to hit finish. It's going to finish out of there. Let me close this code down here. I'll go over to the B program here, right there, and pull up the main C code, which is right here. At this point, I can go and hit the hammer, and it's going to compile the program. And then once that's compiled, I'm going to go into the debugger over here in the top left, and you can see it's opening up a debug session with the JTAG debugger programmer, and over here it's showing the B project. At this point, we can see that in the middle here we got a breakpoint. It's not running yet, but it's going to start executing at that point. What I'm also going to do at this time is I'm going to open up TerraTerm, and there's a COM port 8. I'm just going to pull that up, and I've got the baud rate at, is it 115/200, I think it is. And so when I come over here and I hit the run button, it's going to start running, and you can see that it spits something out in the COM port, and it tells you if you push a button down, it will do some interrupts and light up some LEDs as you're pushing the button. So it's that easy to get some code going, you know, with the Maxim debugging Eclipse tool and their eval boards. And then over here, this is when the button, when I push that down, you can see it's lighting the LED. So it's firing off interrupts and right into the GPIO. So very nice, easy example. But I think overall, I was pretty impressed with the environment, in case you want to try it out yourself. Thanks a lot.